Episode 14. Arthur's point of view. June finally got his apology, everyone happily waiting for Jin and Hobie. Cookie told to Yoongi that he didn't know about his birthday, so Yoongi assured him that he will tell to Hobie to do some tests to know about his age. June told him that DNA epigenetic test we can find out about T's real age. T became super happy. Yoongi became shocked to know that Cook forced T to call him as master and he called him as bad Tata. He told him that it's wrong. T will call him as Cuckoo and he should call him as Tata. He agreed to him. On the other hand, orphanage was more secret revealed in front of Hobie and Jin that they were smuggled to through girls' packets open into girls' stomach, and because of that they died. Jin quickly called Yoongi to told him to bring T to the hospital. Hobie didn't T's full body checkup along with age determined test reports will come tomorrow. Jin told the truth to Yoongi. After knowing the truth, he became super mad and emotional. He decided to end this racket as soon as is possible. After the dinner, Hyungs decided to talk with T. They went to T's room and asked what did he know about orphanage. T told whatever he knows, but they didn't get any clue by that. They asked him what happened with him at that many day. He told them everything, whatever he remembered. He wasn't in his full sense because of injection. He recalled all those painful moments again, and because of that he got panic attack and passed out. Let's see what happens next. June worried. T patted his cheeks. T, open your eyes. Hobie Hang, please check him. Hobie, June, calm down please. You only passed out. He recalled all those painful moments again. He's a kid just like Minnie and Cookie. He can't bear this much pain. His bones are still raw. His body is weak. Give him some time to adjust. It's better he passed out soon, otherwise his panic attack could be worse. He will be fine till tomorrow. No need to worry. We knew this beforehand that he will get panic attack. We all were prepared for this. Yoongi Hang, what are you thinking? Yoongi, I'm thinking how much pain he bore in this young age. Just look at his innocent face and tender body. He suffered a lot. How can anyone do this with him? Didn't his heart ache before doing this? Jin, Yoongi, he saved because his boy. Just think, if he was a girl, then what happened to him? Just think about those girls who suffered a lot. What was their mistake? Some are below the 18 years. Do you think they would be able to bear that pain? Today's incident where we lost two innocent girls, they didn't even see anything in their life except pain. Do they deserve this? No, they don't deserve that. This racket is not as simple as we think. It's beyond our imagination. I guess many international mafias are also involved in this racket. June, you're right, Hyang. This is the most dangerous mission till now, and we have to complete it at any cost. The lives of thousands of innocent children are at stake, and we have to save them. Jin, we have to do it. We have no other way. The hopes of thousands of children are attached to us. We can't disappoint them. Now the responsibilities of their life is ours. Even if we have to do anything for this, we will do it. Now this has become our mission. Hobie, but now we can't include T in this mission. It has already become dangerous. If we put too much influence of T's mind, then it could be harmful for his health. We shouldn't forget that. His body is still weak. He is a child. He can't bear this much pressure. We will have to work with the information which we got from T. Being a doctor, I can't allow you to ask more questions from him. Jin, Don't worry, Hobby. We also understand this. Don't worry. Now, no will ask any question from him. He has already helped us a lot. Looked at June. June, I told you to do some work. June, yes, Yang, I already prepared the report according to a newspaper, internet, and social site. Official sites of government in our city, more than 1 million children raised in the orphanage from past 70 years. According to me, the data of more than 50-60,000 children are unregistered. It's very difficult to find out actual data of orphans from past 2-3 years, but not impossible. My team is working on it. Hopefully, we will get the exact information soon. Jin, good work, June, but speed up. We don't have time. Every second, the life of an innocent child is at stake. We can't afford even a little delay. June, I know, Hang. That's why I increased the staff to that. We can find out everything soon. Jin, Yungi, how far has your research reached? Did you find out anything about tea? Yungi, since the morning I was busy in this matter. Tea's entry is really suspicious. Nobody knows when and how he reached there. Did someone leave him there, or was he brought from somewhere? There is no record about him even in the orphanage. Hobby. But how is that possible? If there was no record of T, then what did they show in Human and Resource Department, HRD? I'm sure they definitely sent an expansion team there. June. Maybe when inspection team came there, they sent T somewhere. That's why they didn't find out about this. People who are running this much big and dangerous racket are very clever. They are expert in making fool and trick people. Jin. He is really a mysterious boy, but why is there no information about him? What is his real identity? Who is he? I think he isn't a normal boy. There is something in him which we can't see. June. But what? He is looking like a normal boy. His behavior innocent, his smile, his sensibility, everything is seemed like a normal person, but he abused a lot. Jin, that's what we have to find out. What is different in him which makes him suspicious? Yungi, we can say by the birth or a childhood his identity is hidden. It means it's not the planning of few days or months. It's all planned from years ago. He is definitely involved in this, or maybe he is the most important part of the whole racket. That's why Mr. and Mrs. Lee, who only accept girl child and exchange boys with girls, let T stay with them. Remember, T said the man who came to bring him for the customer said, I will return him in few days. He even gave Mr. Lee a briefcase, suitcase of money in return of tea. If tea was really sold, then why did he said that he will return him in few days? Hobby, you are right, Yang. A briefcase of money is enough for tea. Yungi, when tea returned to orphanage, Mrs. Lee's reaction wasn't surprising, as she was well aware of Tea's arrival. If tea was really sold, then she should be shockingly reacted, but her reaction was normal, like tea just went to market and returned back. June, that means Jen, yes, June, you are thinking right. Tea was never sold. He was only sent to on rent. We have to find out Tea's real identity as soon as possible. Why is tea so special for them? Hobby, don't worry, Hang. I have his DNA sample. We can find out so many things by that. Yungi, when will his report come? Hobby, some will come by morning, so some will come in the evening. They all were talking and trying to join the clues and get information. T's body started shaking. June felt it first because his hand was touching him. The drops of sweat were visible in his forehead. He started regaining his consciousness. He suddenly screamed loudly. T sat up while screaming. No, please, don't beat me. Ah! Jin quickly hugged him. T, we are here. Nobody can beat you. Hobie, give me the syringe and solution truck from my bag. I already prepared everything. June, come here and hold him tightly. Yang can't handle him alone. Yoongi passed the syringe and solution alcohol pad. Namjoon was tightly holding him. Yoongi was squeezing his ears. Hobie quickly gave him injection and he was feeling dizzy. Jikook ran to T's room after hearing his screams. Cook was ready to hug him, but Jimin stopped him by saying Hobie was giving him injection. After Hobie was done, he left his hand and went to T. Cook, Tata, Hobie hungry. Why did you give big monster needle to Tata? You must be feeling pain, na? Hobie smiled to see Jikook. What are you doing here? Jimin, I was sleeping in my room, suddenly heard T's scream. He was screaming, please don't beat me. So I ran here to check him. I found Cookie on the staircase. Is he fine, Yang? Hobie, he's fine. He only got nightmare. I gave him injection. Now he will sleep peacefully. Cook went to T. Tata is so weak, na. That's why Tata got bad dreams. Cookie is strong. Cookie will protect Tata. Don't worry, Hanky. June, of course our Cookie is a strong boy. Now Cookie has to make Tea as strong as Cookie. Cook, Tea, Cookie will make Tata super strong like Cookie. Jimin, Hang, you also came here after hearing his screams? Jin, now let's go and sleep. Tea is fine now. Cook, Tea, bye bye. Waved his hands. You all go. Cookie will sleep here and protect Tata from bad dreams. June picked him in his arms. No, my strong baby, you can't sleep here now. Come, let's go. Cook, then who will protect Tata? Yoongi, Hobie will stay here. He's a doctor. He will take care of Tea. Come, Minnie, let me drop you to your room. Cook, Juni Hangi, put Cookie down. Cookie has to tell magic words to Tata. June, magic words was that? Cook, that's a secret. Cookie can't tell to Juni Hangi that Cookie will say in Tata's ear. You will be fine soon. You are my strong Tata, na? Right, Juni Hangi? Jimin face palmed himself. Wow, what a top secret. Jin smiled. Right, Cookie? June dropped him. Okay, fine. Say your magic words. Cook gently stroked Tea's ears and said in his ears, Tata, don't worry. You will be fine soon. You are my strong Tata, na? Kissed on his forehead. Everyone smiled to see him and left their respective rooms, except Hobie, who was going to sleep with Tea. Time skipped in the morning. Tea was still sleeping. Everyone was doing their work except Cookie, who was looking at mobile without blinking his eyes. Yoongi, Cookie, what are you looking into mobile? Don't you want to see your favorite cartoon today? Cook, without looking at him. Cookie is so busy today, meow meow. Cookie is doing very important work. Don't disturb Cookie. Yoongi looked at mobile. Cookie, you are looking at blank screen. Wait, it's Hobie's mobile, na? How do you have this? Cook shouts, Jinny Hangi! She, Meow Meow is disturbing Cookie. Meow Meow didn't let Cookie to do his most important work. Yoongi, chill boy, why are you complaining to Hyang? I just asked normal question. Cook screamed loudly, Jinny Hangi! Jin shouts from kitchen, Yoongi, don't disturb Cookie. If you are this much free, then come here and help me in preparing dinner. Yoongi shouts back, coming Hyang, left. Yoongi came to kitchen and saw Jin was cooking the food and Jimin was cleaning the dishes. Yoongi, good morning Minnie, ruffles his hairs. Jimin smiled, good morning Hyang. Yoongi, good morning Hyang. Jin showed him his spatula. Why were you disturbing Cookie? Can't you see peace in the house? Yoongi, I didn't disturb him Hyang. You are scolding me without any reason. Jin, then why were he screaming? Jungi, he wasn't watching his favorite cartoon and looking at Hobie's mobile without blinking his eyes, so I just asked him what happened, but he started screaming. I don't understand. Why did he looking at blank screen? Jimin, oh dad, since he woke up, he was asking about T's report from Hobie Hang. He was so desperate to know about his age, so Hobie Hang gave him his mobile. He told him that T's report will come on it from since he was looking into the mobile without blinking his eyes. Yoongi, good work, Hobie. He engaged him. By the way, where is he? Jen, he went to hospital. An emergency case come for dad. He left early. He will be back soon. T came to living room and saw Cookie was looking into mobile screen. He quickly went to him. T, good morning, master. Cook, eyes on mobile. It's Cuckoo Tata. T, oh yeah, I forgot it. Good morning, Cuckoo. Cook, good morning, Tata. T looked at the mobile, then Cook, Cuckoo, what are you looking into mobile? I can't see anything. Cook, Cookie is waiting for Tata's report. Hobie Hangi said Tata's report will come in it. T, me Rufus. Oh, but how did you know my report come? Cook, when report come, then a message received and a mobile open. T, oh, but why isn't opening? Is it working? Cook, yeah, it's Hobie Hangi's mobile now. It's working. If it was Juni Hangi's mobile, then it broken. They both were staring the mobile without blinking their eyes. Suddenly a message came and mobile screen open. T, Cuckoo, it's open. I think my report came. Cook, yeah, let's go to Jinny Hangi. He will tell us. Oti, T, Oti. They both ran to kitchen while chanting, Jinny Hangi, sir. Hearing their screaming, June also came there. Cook, while chanting, Jinny Hangi. T, running while chanting, sir. Yoongi, drop the chopsticks. Now what happened? Why are you running? Don't run in the kitchen. Cook completely ignored him. Jinny Hangi, Jinny Hangi. Jin, Cookie, I'm right in front of you. Why are you screaming? June ran there. What happened? Yoongi, World War III has started, said sarcastically. June, what? T, sir, my report came. Please tell me when is my birthday? Cook, give the mobile to Jin. Yes, tell Cookie. Cookie is so excited. Jin, June, check it. June looked at the report with serious expression. Jimin looked at his serious expression. What happened, Hyang? Is everything alright? June, Tease. Your age is same as Minnie, means 18 years old. Cook, what? How's that possible? How can Tata be elder than Cookie? He is so weak now. Jimin smiled to his angry expression. It's okay, Cookie. Now tease your Hyang. Cook, no, Cookie has only 4 Hyangis. Jinny Hyangis, Juni Hyangi, Hobie Hyangi and Minnie Hyangi. Yoongi, you forget me, brat. Cook, no, Cookie didn't forget Meow Meow. Meow Meow isn't Cookie's Hyangi. Meow Meow is Cookie's Meow Meow na. T, sir. Jin, T, call me Jinny Hyangi. Yoongi, call me Yoongi Hyangi. June, call me Juni Hyangi. Jimin, T, you can call me Minnie as you are same age as mine. Cook, and call me Cuckoo, Cuckoo. T, overwhelmed to hear this. Hyangi. Cook, oh, Tata's tap again started. Now Tata will cry because of over Lily. Jimin, he means overwhelmed. Cook, wiped his tears. Tata, you are burning. Jinny Hyangi, Tata has high fever. Panicked, everyone except Tea Cook. What? To be continued. Arthur's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. Finally, Tea's age revealed. Now tell me who guessed it correctly. According to the storyline, Tea can't be younger than Cookie. Why? You will know that soon. By the way, what do you think? Why did Tea's identity is hidden? Why is there no record of Tea? Why is Tea this much important for Mr. and Mrs. Lee? Something comes in Tea's report which made June worried. What? You will get to know this in next episode. If anyone say that the episode is small, then I will send Cookie to her with his hammer. 20 plus minutes isn't small. You won't understand how much time it takes to write. Don't forget to complete the target of 300 plus likes to get next episode. We will meet soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.